December, which means we are in full swing holiday mode. Whatever you celebrate, I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. I celebrate Christmas, and it's crazy to believe that it's just a few days away. So if you're looking for something food-wise to take to your family gathering and you need some ideas that are last minute, I've got 3 options for you. One only takes 15 minutes, another takes 30, and the last option takes 90 minutes. And then you can also choose along the continuum of how healthy you want to go to most decadent. You'll see what I mean once we get to the recipes. So without further ado, let's get into them.
When everything is white, glimmering silver white, and stillness fills the night, it's Christmas, a winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand. Take me away, Christmas Day. There's joy in the air, family's near. We give thanks for this past year.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful and gave you a few ideas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Again, have a wonderful holiday season, and I'll see you next time.
Take me away, Christmas Day.